Respected Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji and respected Chief Ministers of various states. I am Vijay Mohan, retired Deputy General Manager of BSNL, currently residing at Tirunendravoor of Chennai. And I am now submitting a few very effective suggestions to you all very humbly on how to quickly and effectively conquer Corona. Sir, India is fast overtaking all other countries in its seeming failure to contain COVID 19. Major states are also seemingly failing to contain COVID 19. The number of positive cases are galloping very fast upwards, and there are no signs of them coming down. Many people are brazenly violating all norms of number one, social discipline, number two, face mask wearing, number three, personal hygiene, and number four, sanitizing fruits, vegetables, etc., which they bring home from outside. Especially social distancing. Until and unless this one aspect is enforced effectively, COVID 19 is bound to spread faster than our testing and quarantine. So, our foremost twin tasks are that we must, number one, educate the public much better than at present on social distancing, and number two, enforce social distancing with great vigor. Educating all is the first priority, and enforcing reasonably is the second priority. The sooner we do it, the better it will be for India. I had submitted a Hindi video 1 month ago, followed by an English video 2 weeks ago to the Honorable Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji, with copy to many chief ministers through their Twitter handles on the sure shot methods of educating people for winning the war on Corona. Sir, obviously we are not winning the Corona war as of today, but merely testing and quarantining. We need to do something more and something better than that. Before testing and quarantining, we must educate and enforce. Failure in educating and enforcing social distancing and face mask wearing is resulting in corona coincidence on a large scale, and what follows is testing and quarantining merely it discovers the proliferation of corona among people. Like all Western nations, we are also opening up the economy, and I totally agree on that there is no alternative to it. Without elaborating much on that part, I would humbly submit to all of you that now the most important first task is educating 100% of our people fully on the vital aspects of social distancing, face mask wearing, especially in public places and vulnerable places. Number three, personal hygiene. And number four, sanitizing vegetables, fruits, groceries, etc., which people bring home from outside. If educating and enforcing these aspects are first done successfully, it will arrest the spread of corona significantly. Sir, testing and quarantining cannot precede educating and enforcing. In fact, testing and quarantining will be ineffectual in the absence of successful education and enforcement. We must arrest the root cause. People must not touch each other, especially strangers, at least for a month. Can we not educate people on this, sir? Of course we can. Social distancing is still the most effective method of staying away from corona. If you don't touch others for a month, you don't get it. It is as simple as that. If nobody touches others for a month, corona just dies. All testing and quarantining done during that 1 month will succeed in eliminating the coronavirus from all those who already have had it. So the first task now is effectively educating 100% of our people. When elections come, the entire India becomes full of big posters and hoardings seeking people's vote for each of the candidates. All walls in all states are full of such posters and hoardings, and they reach all people reasonably effectively. Now, Corona is a national emergency. Corona is one subject on which we must design excellent, beautiful posters clearly explaining social distancing, number one, number two, use of face mask, number three, personal hygiene, and number four, sanitizing fruits, vegetables, groceries, etc., which we bring from outside to the homes. We must tell people the need for social distancing for the individual, the perils of not following it. Number three, the punishments for violating, especially social distancing and face mask wearing. And number four, how nation can conquer corona within a month if every individual cooperates. Nobody should touch others in public places for a month. This must be the rule. This must become our culture. Can punishments work for violations in public places? That's the question. Punishments did not eliminate murders, rapes, corruptions, etc. But we do have punishments for all of them. We have made recently spitting a punishable offense. So punishments are deterrents, and we must try to enforce punishments wherever heavy crowding takes place. Let there be police squads and let them enforce it at different vulnerable places at different times. For people violating, even after warning, rupees 100 can be levied as a fine. If he or she cannot pay or does not want to pay, make him stand away from all others outside the shop, mall, anywhere for half an hour. Deny him entrance into the shop or the mall or the restaurant. That is enough punishment. If you enforce this much for 1 month, if not fully to the extent possible, all people will learn. Before enforcing punishments, education through posters and hoardings is a must. I have seen a few posters before many shops in my place in the last 2 days. It's a good beginning, but there is no enforcement so far there. Denying entrance into the shop or the restaurant or the mall for not wearing a mask or not following social distancing must be enforced. The shop owner and the mall staff can do it. The restaurant owner must enforce social distancing. The police squads must supervise at important places. For enforcement, especially important places are containment zones and buffer zones, followed by other crowding places. Now, TV statements, interviews, and press statements are not reaching all common people and are not adequately registering on public mind. Their reach and effect are both very limited. On the other hand, posters and hoardings will be read and reread daily for many days by men, women, and children. Their reach is phenomenal. If posters and hoardings go simultaneous with the testing and quarantining, you will win the corona war much better, sir. Posters will silence all misrepresentations, misinformations, spreading of baseless fears and suspicions. On the other hand, they will give accurate, factual informations and excellent guidance. You can design 5 to 6 excellent posters in the local languages and get them pasted at all important and sensitive localities and all shops, malls, restaurants, etc. You will see that people will respond to your fight with corona much better than at present. I wish you complete success in winning the war against corona. Thanking you, sirs. I am V. Vijay Mohan from Tirunendravoor, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Thank you.